everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of Logging In, I will be showing you how to download OBS Studio on your PC. So for that, first of all, open a Google browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in obsproject.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official OBS webpage. Here on the official webpage, you will have the option to download for your Windows, Mac and Linux. So here click on the Windows option. For the downloading of the application, this will download the setup file for the OBS Studio. As you can see the downloading process on the side of your screen, you need to click on open once the downloading file has been completed. OBS Studio is a free, open source and cross-platform screencasting and streaming application. It is available for Windows, Mac and Linux distribution. OBS Studio is a software designed for the capturing, compositioning, encoding, recording and streaming video content efficiently. It is one of the open broadcaster software, which means its main purpose is to live streaming your gaming session on YouTube, Twitch or any other. You can see the file has been downloaded. Now click on the upward menu and click on open. Here you click on next again, then click on install and wait for the installation process to be completed. Then click on finish. And with that, the downloading process of the OBS Studio is completed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.